Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. With a little tech, you can eat healthier over the holidays. Abbott's Lingo business, that's an over-the-counter continuous glucose monitor, has recipes and more at hellolingo.com. Lingo nutritionist and famed marathon runner Pam Nisevich Bede.
What we're about at Lingo is finding a way to eat in a way that is metabolically healthy. So maybe it's just some small tweaks to your familiar favorites, and also tools like Abbott's Lingo continuous glucose monitor. It's a CGM, it sits on the back of your arm for up to 14 days, it's over the counter, and what it does is the biosensor is going to pair with the Lingo app on your smartphone.
It's iOS for now. More info? The site again is hellolingo.com. Happy holidays. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Sea Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at seacrane.com, or just click on the link at techstination.com.